Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on NLP, and today we are going to discuss about how to split the sentence using regular expression. Okay. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is one of the simple concept case. Probably you might face this kind of question in whenever you are attending the interview, and whenever the interview panelist will ask this, and they will give you some sentence and they will tell you to split the sentence using regular expression. Okay, so kindly watch this video till the end so that you will get to know how to split the sentence using the regular expression. Okay, so let's see like how to split the sentence. Okay, so I will just try to mention split the sentence using the regular expression. Okay, first what we'll do is we'll try to import regular expression, and here I will try to give the sentence. Here what I will do is split the sentence using regular expression, and here what I will do is like I will use r slash yes, and here I will try to give some sentence. What I will do is like I will try to give some sentence. Bangalore is the Silicon Valley of India. Okay, so I have given, okay, here it should be regular expression dot split, and here I have given okay. So I have imported regular expression, and here print of regular expression dot split, and this is basically used to slash s is basically used to split the sentence wherever there is a space. Okay, so here I have given this sentence: Bangalore is the Silicon Valley of India. Okay, so now I will try to run this particular cell. So now you can see Bangalore comma is comma the comma Silicon Valley comma Valley comma of comma India. Okay, so here we have split the sentence. Bangalore is the Silicon Valley of India. Here we have split the sentence using the regular expression. Okay, so this is how you will try to split the sentence. So this is one of the most important concept whenever you are attending the interview based on natural language processing or NLP. Okay, this is one of the very simple concepts, and this kind of simple concepts only they will ask you in interview. So this will be very much useful if you are preparing for NLP or data science. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.